What is up, everybody? My name is Extreme, and welcome to a tornado map in Gmod. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. I've been wanting to do a Gmod video for so long. I just haven't been able to do so yet. But I found a tornado map in Gmod, and I'm going to do a little storm chasing. So I got myself a van, a storm chasing van, a transit. So let's hop in and see if we get any tornadoes. Yeah. All right, let's go chase. I like how I start off right around the farmhouse. Okay. And now you guys just gotta wait for it. Let's actually, while we're waiting, let's check out this map. Ooh, a gas station. Time to get your ass close. Wait, I just realized I'm on the other side. Right? Am I on the... Never mind. No, we're not going to worry about that. Oh, gosh. I am not anywhere near... Okay. Okay. Well, that's my fault. This is my fault. Clearly my fault. Oh, crap. Ooh. Back. Okay. Still not any close. Oh, well. Suma Core... Litter. Whatever that means. Alright, ow! I walked into the pool. There is no... Is there? What? I'm just gonna pretend. Take the hose. There is no hose. Where's the hose? Take that. Nope. I gotta go pay. I probably should have paid before. Hello? Your door swung in my face. Hello, there's nobody here. Hello, I'm here. I need to buy gas. I'm pushing your countertop. Ah. There, there's nothing here. Do you sell anything here? You guys are set. Excuse me, Mr. Door. Excuse me, Mr. Door. Close! This door only works one way. Open. Alright, let's go. We're not going to worry about how broken that door is. Fix your door! Alright, let's go this way. Oh, what's that? Ooh. All over the place, I'm drunk. I don't have my license yet. Okay. I don't have my license yet, but I'm chasing a tornado or chasing storms. What is this? Is this like a bar? What is this? Alright, investigation time. Hey! Where are you? What is that? Can I jump over? Ah, I can't. I'm not nimble enough. Whee! I no-clipped. Alright, what is this? It's water. Is this... Oh! I wonder if this is like a stable. Maybe. That's only my guess. You guys write your own guesses on what this is. Let's go. Continue on. Waiting for a tornado to pop and... be chasing. What is this way? Really? Speeding on a dirt road is not a good idea! That will happen. This whole van just did a 360. Oh, I'm off the road. Dusty trailers. Trailer park. Nice details on the billboard there. Hello? Anybody here? Probably not. What is that? That's a laundry room? Alright, investigate. Ooh. I don't like that. I expect to exit on the side that I'm driving on. That's it. Ah! I took a check. Ah! Take that. Oh, I found... Yeah, this is a laundry room. This is a weird laundry thingy. that is his actual name. What in the world? Why am I able to move things? I don't understand. Alright, back in van. Let's go. These are supposed to be trailers. These are like stuff you put on the back of a truck. An 18-wheeler. Oh no! There's a truck. Look, you see the truck out there? Hold on. Stop. Wait, I'm gonna save you, truck. I'll save you. Who left you out here? Whoever did it is a monster. You're so tall. Jump. I can't get in. Can I? I heard something. I don't know what I heard, but I heard something. Was that you? Was that you making that noise? You're making noises? Are you talking to me? No, that you are what I was hearing. No. Doesn't, well, no. Don't talk back to me. Listen, sir, I'm trying to help you, but if you don't want help, I'm just gonna leave. See if anybody would help you now. No wonder why someone left you out here. It's, alarms. What is that? Oh yeah, that's what it is. Does that mean it's coming? Is it coming? It's coming to take us away, haha. Where is it going to be? I'm gonna go over there. Around that landing right there. Ah! Oh gosh. I'm still new to the driving. Alright. I'm actually gonna pop out. Get on top of the vehicle. Fly. There we go. Let's see if we can find any. I heard it. I heard the siren, so it must happen. Hello? Tornado? Tornado want to come and play? Ooh, tornado's coming to play. Ooh, tornado's coming to play. Oh, tornado's coming to play. Oh, a tornado's coming to play. Not coming my way, though. It's going that way. Yeah, let's go. Okay. Follow tornado! This is a terrible idea. But I'm gonna do it anyway. Oh, gosh. Oh, drive terribly when there's a tornado afoot. Go. I don't know what type it is. Maybe an F2? Maybe. If that. Alright. It's already past the stable, I think. You're riding alongside her. She's beautiful. Oh, we're way over here now. We're over by the trailer park. Yeah, this is the stereotypical tornado victims plot. Trailer parks. I can't see you, Mrs. Tornado. Oh my gosh. It didn't hit the trailer park though. I think it just went around it. What? Oh god, is that coming towards us now? I think it's coming this way. No, it's just gonna barely miss the trailer park. Back up a little bit. Probably the worst. Oh, tornado's going away. Very disappointed. Very disappointed, Mrs. Tornado. I'm not even paying attention to how fast I'm going. Alright, let's see if there's any damage. Ugh. I don't think there's any, because I think it just barely missed. Oh no, it took one. It took the wall. Oh no, it actually did hit the building. Oh! Oh, there it is, way out there. Wait, I gotta check. No! Whoa, there's two of them over here. Anyone hurt? Ow. Here, I'm here to help you. Let me bang my head on your trailer park. On your trailer park. Trailer park's there. The trailer. Hey, anyone hurt? That's tradition now. You must bang your head up on the trailer. What the heck? Ooh, looks like an outhouse door. That'd be a terrible time to need to go to the bathroom when a tornado hits. Although, for some people, the bathroom's the perfect place to be. No! I don't know how long it takes for the tornadoes to come back around. I just ran over a table, I think. That's okay, it was in my way anyway. If he didn't want to get run over, it shouldn't have been late. I just gotta wait for it to come back. I want to try to get at least 2 tornadoes while I'm drifting. It didn't even hit that. It did! It hit the stable. Almost direct hit. It is like flat. It's like a... I'm gonna go up to the fort. There's like a fort place over there. So we're gonna go check that out, see if there's any damage there. It didn't come on that side at all. It was all on this side. It didn't stay very long. There's some things in the water. Hold on, hold on. Oh, they're just rocks. I thought there was actually debris laying in the water. Now this vehicle's making noises. Why are you making noises? Pay attention! You almost hit that pole. Well, looks like almost no damage over here. This is where it spawned in, I think. Oh, there's a door down. Let's go inside. Oh, I'm gonna put somebody in here. Who should we put in here? Let's pick Isaac. Hello, Isaac. A medic. Hello, sir. Oh, so while we're waiting, I guess I could show you guys my player model. Oh, at least try to. Give me just a second. Hold on, I got this. I got this. Okay, I don't got this. Okay, well, I guess I can't show you guys unless I can kill myself. I don't know how. Wait, I do. Never mind. There you go. I'm Spitfire. From My Little Pony. I figured I'd just show you guys that. I'm still trying to figure out ins and outs of Gary's mod. I don't know how to get out first person at all. Wow, and all that time I have another way up coming. There you go, you saw me die as well. Well, you didn't see me die, you saw Spitfire. Shall we go back to our little place to wait for it? I think we should. Yeah, let's go. Doing that. Okay, get there. We're gonna fly because we're a Pegasus. And now we just wait again. Yeah, that's the thing is that I am a pony player model, but yet I have human hands. If I go up to a mirror in Gary's mod, I will have like the gun in like the chest area. I heard that. Where was that? I thought I heard something. Oh! 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 Oh no! Oh no! This one looks like a floor. Alright. Now to chase again. Let's go. Looks like it's taking the same path as the last one. Ow! I ran over a rock. Don't worry, the rock is fine. Uh-oh. I don't know the direction it is going. Come on, drive. Okay. What to do? Okay, follow. We're gonna follow. No, close behind. Unfortunately, I don't know where it's going. Seem to be keeping up with it though. Yeah, it's taking the same path as the last one. Okay. Yeah, it's head towards it. Oh, I'm on the wrong side of the road. I think that's the least of everybody's worries. Problem is, I can't tell if it turns or not. At least not right off the bat. Yeah, it's headed directly back towards the trail park. That trail park is not having a good day. No siree. What the heck? Yeah, I hit it directly again. Alright, stop right here. Stop right here. It's gonna cross the road right in front of us. If it's not, then it's gonna hit directly on us. And now it's gonna disappear. Boring. I expected more from you. Ow. Alright, well, I'm probably gonna end this episode here. If you liked it, then please leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more of Gmod, then let me